Hi guys, welcome to my channel Flying Beast. Before we start this video, please like and subscribe. So today we are making momos.
Momos. So this is what do you called? उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Chicken. Chicken momos. सही आएगा ना? ऐसे कट करने का आएगा क्या या फुल पूरा कट होना चाहिए?
पूरा कट होना चाहिए सर.
ओके ऐसे
थोड़ा घुमाइएगा.
This is how we would do this for momos. इधर ही हो. Hello, you want to do this momos? You want to do this momos? Go. Come, try this because see the technique uncle is using. ऐसे है ना?
हाँ सर. बराबर में डाल सर. हाँ ऐसे बराबर में डालना. बाद में थोड़ा ऐसे चिपका दें.
ऐसे करना है.
एक साइड में से.
एक साइड में.
हाँ
Okay.
चिपक के बाद में थोड़ा ऐसे ऐसे
ऐसे ऐसा
हाँ सर.
ऐसा ऐसा. Okay, this is how we do momos. ठीक हो गया या?
हाँ ठीक है.
It's like I don't know about that one.
चिपक दें सर.
I'm recording you already. Dada, why are you wearing a watch? Everyone can see you wearing a watch because I'm recording that also.
I'm recording that also.
Yes, I'm recording your
I'm
watch.
making momos. Why don't you record this one?
I'm making the momos. I'm recording that one and because of your hand, and no one can see how are you doing that method. What is this? What is this? Why are you not professional, Dada? You're supposed to be a professional.
We're just in the learning process, you know.
You're in the learning process. I know. Oh my god. That thing just fell down. I just don't want to make fun of the board, okay?
Okay, so did you record it?
Yes. I'm going to make balls in this thing.
Okay.
Okay, how are you doing?
Okay, first you close it like this.
Oh, you're supposed to close it?
Yeah. Then one side, no, not one side. You do it like this.
Okay.
Press it, and then start doing it.
How? Like this?
No, from inside. Single.
Like this? Correctly. This is the first time I'm
Oh,
doing.
that's okay. You have to.
I'm learning process.
Yeah.
This is curvies. I just want to make like this only.
Okay.
This is how I make.
Oh, you did a great job.
Otherwise, you know what I want to do?
Uh.
I want to take one piece. I'll take one piece.
Enough.
Okay. I'll take one piece.
We have added for chicken keema some onions, then garam masala, all the spices powder, pepper powder. Then we have added coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves, and we have mixed it, and then we are adding inside this batter. What do you call it? Like a chapati and.
I made this one.
Yes.
I
Now
only
we are
made
going
one.
to steam it. Let's see how we are going to steam it. we have to take some water for steaming. Okay, of course.
Taste.
Yeah, for that we have to just apply some oil. You can use any oil, but I'm using coconut oil here. Okay, so that these momos don't stick to the vessel. Okay, yeah, okay, that's it.
Start. We're putting all the momos in these things. In these circles, you know. That and that here, and one more, two more things. I think I'm supposed to do it like that, and one more, and all of them are finished.
Take that. We have already kept something here.
We already kept something here.
Okay, in this one, so we are going to have 2 layers.
We're going to have
properly.
2 layers.
Okay, so we are going to steam it for. Okay, we are going to steam it for around 20 minutes to 30 minutes, half an hour. Now we are going to close the lid. So guys, the lid is closed. Let's wait for another 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, now we are making a sauce for this one. So we have added onion, garlic and chili. For that we are going to add some tomatoes. डाल सकते हैं बस give a gentle stir. इसमें क्या तेल ज़्यादा चाहिए हाँ Now we have added some jeera for this. एक के बाद में ग्राइंड करने क्या ग्राइंड किस में करेगा
ग्राइंड कर देना
नहीं फिर
नहीं है
नहीं हाँ हाँ अभी क्या करने का बस smash this. Okay, we need to add some chili powder and some salt and mash it properly. Finally, we are going to add this coriander leaves and we are done. Okay, no? We need to just open and check. It's almost 20 minutes now. कैसे देखने का? Yeah.
Check.
Be careful.
Oh, it's very hard to do it, so I'm going to do some.
I'll do it.
Okay, wait. It's so hard.
Leave it, leave it, leave it. Okay. Oh yeah, it's ready.
I think it's ready.
Okay, now we're going to off the.
Ooh, looks like dumpling.
Yes. It's time to taste now. Just remove it slowly, okay? Otherwise, it might.
It's connected together.
Oh yeah.
Like literally connected together. Smells so good. Smells good. It just smells like dough. Fast, fast, fast! Use my burn yourself. Oh, yeah. Actually, I want to cut it the pieces. Otherwise, or maybe not.
Okay, taste this.
Try. This one in left hand. This one in right hand. Like this.
Take some sauce.
This we made. So I'm gonna try.
Don't spill.
Say.
तसे जायना हातान का.
Yeah, good.
Good.
Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe.
No, tell them to just try this recipe. Guys, please try this recipe. And if you like it, share it with others. And let us know your opinion by comments. Okay then.
Eat healthy, stay safe, live long. Bye.
Bye.